All right, let's bring in meteorologist Kristi Gordon now with a look at our weather forecast. Hanging on to a little bit of summer as we start off fall. Kristi.
That's right. So today is the first full day of fall, everyone. And yeah, you're right. It felt more like summer, that's for sure. Temperatures were above seasonal, 20 to 24 across Metro Vancouver. And certainly this is a scene out there right now. You can see how stunning it is. Now, that wasn't the case, though, across all parts of the province. Lorna was actually driving back along Highway 3 from Osoyoos to Vancouver today. And she said this is what it was like at times. So we still have significant smoke, which is definitely more apropos to what we would contend with in the summer. A little bit of an improvement across the central portions of the province, and that's because we've had some rainfall there, but you can certainly see the number of fires across southern BC as we continue with mostly dry weather. We've certainly seen some rainfall at times, but overall it has been a really nice September. 114 fires still burning. There's the focus of the rainfall right now, and this whole band is just going to shift off into Alberta, so we're not expecting much in terms of moisture across southern BC. In fact, none at all. And we have a rainfall warning for these areas with 50 millimeters still possible into tomorrow. So you can see that focus of rainfall there before it shifts off. So over the next little while, we are expecting sunny skies, but by Thursday, we'll see a change here across the south coast, Sophie. So we are going to see a chance of showers here, but it's, again, not a lot of moisture. It's not until the weekend that we're expecting more substantial moisture for us here across Metro Vancouver and parts of southern BC. In the meantime, enjoy it, everyone. It is beautiful, and it will be again tomorrow. It's Thursday that we'll see a little bit of a blip, and then we have a chance of showers Friday, but more significant rain is expected on the weekend. Back to you.
All right, thanks, Kristi. So I turned my seat warmer on this morning.
What?
It was early in the morning.
Really crisp.
Yeah.
Yeah. You know what, though? If this is fall, I'm all for it. It was pretty nice in the afternoon.
Yeah.
Well, one of the key things is right now, of course, we have it near the fall equinox, the same hours of daylight as we do nighttime. And so certainly with the longer nights, Sophie, and clear skies last night, it cooled off significantly last night. But with this time of year, we still can rebound really nicely. And that's what happened. Look at these temperatures. So we warmed up to 25 degrees away from the water, 26 out through the Fraser Valley, and parts of the interior were close to 30 degrees. Merritt, Lytton, Kamloops, so nice and warm all across southern BC. So certainly a nice September, despite we've had a little bit of rainfall here and there, but we needed that. Northern portions of the province, though, whole different ball game. They've had a lot more cloud cover across the region, and that has had some impact on the fire situation in those areas. Meanwhile, across southern BC, this beautiful September that we've had certainly has meant that we are continuing to see fires, and some of them still out of control. So 114 fires right now burning across the province, and Lorna captured this shot just today on Highway 3 going from Vancouver to Osoyoos. She said it was really smoky in some areas, and the air quality in the Okanagan Valley was at a moderate, or is at a moderate risk level right now. Much of the rest of the province at a low level, but we're certainly still dealing with a number of fires. Tomorrow and tonight and tomorrow morning, we're going to see the focus of the rainfall across these areas, very narrow band that will move out quite quickly, and we actually have another beautiful day on the way for most of the province. But by Thursday, we'll start to see a change, and that includes the south coast with cloud and a chance of showers moving in. It's just a very weak front, but we certainly could see a few sprinkles on Thursday. So enjoy tomorrow, the second full day of fall, and it is certainly going to feel more like summer, where temperatures are going to be elevated above seasonal once again, a little bit cooler than what we saw today, but still stunning conditions, as you can see here, up to 24 degrees away from the water. Cooler on Thursday with that chance of showers, a bit of sunshine in the mix on Friday. More substantial rainfall is expected over the weekend, and we'll have a better idea as to the timing as we get closer. Tonight's Cloverdale Paint weather window is coming to you from somewhere, he said, somewhere between North Vancouver and Kelowna, as he was traveling along, and they captured this shot, and he was trying to figure out what it is, and it actually is a contrail. It looks like it's pointing down to the ground, but it's actually heading off in the distance. A very neat shot there, but thank you so much for sharing that photo. So a contrail is, of course, something that happens behind a plane. Okay, back to you two.
All right, thanks, Kristi. It has a starring role.
It does.
Yeah.
And almost 5 stars, 4.9 stars on Google reviews. So they're doing something right over there.
Very cool. All right, Kristi, final word on weather on this first full day of fall.
Well, the second fall day is going to be beautiful as well. We're expecting it just slightly cooler conditions than what we saw today, but plenty of sunshine. And then a chance of showers Thursday and a slight chance of showers Friday with more rainfall expected over the weekend. So we're in for some wet weather, but it's certainly not a washout. And tomorrow, there's lots to enjoy.
Looking forward to it. Thanks, Kristi.
All right, thanks very much for watching, everyone. Hope you have a great night. We'll see you back here tomorrow.
Good night, all.